This 2024 Leisure Travel Wonder 24 FTB is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Nokomis, Florida, 34275 and is offered for sale by Gerseni's RV World of Nokomis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new leisure travel is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features rear bath. This 2024 Leisure Travel Wonder 24 FTB is built on a Ford Transit dual rear-wheel chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.